what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jasa.
Jessa. Nice. Are you a singer? Jessa, can you give me 5 things that you like about Filipino men?
Responsible,
Mm-hmm.
hardworking,
Mm-hmm. Are they?
sa kamanday. Mga red flag, mga akong mga rak.
Okay. 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 What else?
Oh, consistent,
Consistent. And what else?
persistent,
Persistent.
loyal.
Wow. Okay. Can you give me 5 things that you dislike about Filipino men? That you don't like? A red flag.
Aggressive,
Wow.
maniac.
Oh my God.
Joke.
What else?
Joke roti. Balik.
Okay.
Aggressive,
Okay.
sa kamanday.
Boastful.
Boastful,
Mm.
sa kamanday.
Judgment.
Judgmental.
That's true. I agree. What else?
Feeling mo tiyong sama.
What else? Obsessed.
Oh,
You're
obsessed.
very obsessed. And
Cheater.
cheater, yay! Can you give me 5 things that you like about foreigner?
Goal-oriented.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Maybe family-oriented.
Mm-hmm.
Hardworking.
Yes, they are.
Handsome.
Okay, handsome. What else? Last one.
Sa kamanday. Tall.
They're tall. Okay, they're very nice. Okay. How about 5 things that you dislike about foreigner?
Manipulative.
Some.
Obsessed.
Mm-hmm.
Not cheater.
Yeah. Not yet. Yeah, they have.
Not religious.
Not religious. Okay.
Not all, but yeah,
Yeah,
some.
some. Okay.
Sa kamanday.
Like about
Dislike.
aggressive.
Yeah. Ay, wala pa aggressive.
Aggressive.
Oh, aggressive.
Possessive.
Oh, possessive.
Okay.
Oh, obsessed, possessive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one would you prefer today? A smart man or a man with a great sense of humor?
A man with a great sense of humor.
Why?
Because I have encountered a man, a smart man, but it's so hard to communicate with him because we don't just vibe. We have different personality and
different point of views.
Yeah.
So you prepare man with a great sense of humor, because it's easy to be with. That's true.
Nangulba ako sa tay kalit.
Then, okay. In the future, how many children would you plan on having?
3.
3. Is that Pinoy babies or half foreign babies?
Somewhat, I like half parents
Half foreign babies. Why?
because of their genes
Their genes.
and different beauty. But I also like pure Pinoy because I like Pinoy I like Pinoys more than foreigners.
Okay.
Sakto ba day?
How do you feel if your Pinoy boyfriend or foreigner partner cheated on you?
Hindi mo ma-feel day. Kumugo ka try.
You haven't tried?
Ipakita siya ting.
So
Sudoy?
betrayed and then you feel betrayed and then malo imong self-esteem.
Maybe I will feel insecure and having doubts about what I have.
Alright.
My yeah.
Oh, sige. Would you confront him, or would you let it go, or leave him alone like that? Would you talk to him?
Maybe I'll just leave him alone, or I'll just let him go.
Okay, so you wouldn't give him a second chance?
No, there's no second chance.
Why? Why there's no
Because
second?
cheating is a choice.
Very good. Cheating is a choice.
Once
So,
you cheat, once a man cheats, then he will cheat as time goes by.
okay. So you will never forgive and forget.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So you will move on without him.
yes.
Oh my God. So guys, if ever she's with you, don't cheat. Okay. What do you think the Filipino people thought about foreigner? What do you think about their mindset towards foreigner?
Rich?
Mm-hmm. Rich.
Yeah.
Yes, that's most of the
Possessive.
most of the
Possessive.
Filipinos think that way. So do you think also that foreigners are rich?
Maybe because of the conversion of their money to peso.
Yeah. So
But if we think practically, it's just the same.
yeah. Okay. Do you think foreigners are nice people?
Maybe. Nakainom doon, masatanis ko anay. Not based on
Based on your
based
experience?
on my experience, not so. But there are lots of kind foreigners, but I have encountered one that is so aggressive and manipulative. That's why I'm starting to dislike,
Oh, that's so sad.
meeting foreigners.
Oh, that's so sad. You experienced that. What happened then? Ooh, I'm so nosy with her business. Okay, why you met that kind of person? Is that your chatmate? Is that your best
Yeah,
friend?
just a chatmate.
And then you met him, and
No, I didn't meet him personally, just in call.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. So do you think foreigners are smart and wise?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So do you hear foreigners are players and cheaters?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where did you hear that?
Not all, but there are some foreigners like that because you know, I have a, a friend
Mm.
and they got married,
Mm-hmm.
but still the foreigner still cheated on her,
Oh, that's not nice.
even though they are married. That's why my trust issues is so high.
Yes, it affects you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think foreigners are very strict or they are more understanding with
They're
more laid
strict,
back?
super strict.
Super strict. Why?
They don't want you to have friends or like guy friends
Mm-hmm.
because they're very possessive
Mm-hmm.
and felt, scared that you'll cheat on him.
Yes. Wow.
Likewise.
Likewise. Very, very true. If if you're married to a foreigner, would you prefer to live here in the Philippines with him or live in his old country?
No,
Wow.
I prefer if I will marry a foreigner, maybe I just want to live here in Philippines because I love Philippines and I don't want to leave Philippines. And another thing is I'm scared that what if his attitude will change, you know, in chat he's so kind or like something like that in Phil, but in his country he will change and become so manipulative and controlling, and maybe there will come a time that he will hurt you physically, not just emotionally.
That's very understandable. Okay, thank you for that. Okay. um, if you're dating a foreigner, okay, and he expects you to make love with him once or twice a day, or be intimate with him once or twice a day, would it bother you?
I haven't tried.
Yeah, it's just an opinion. Okay, would it bother you or go Philippines?
Once or twice?
Yeah,
No, it's okay. Maybe it's
okay.
okay. That's part of your relationship.
Yeah, or you can do more. Choose your choice. It's just a check-in, okay? You can do more.
Yeah, midnight snack.
That's true. No,
Mhm.
that's true. Just be open-minded. It's true.
Dinner.
Yeah, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and midnight snacks. Wow, very strong.
Mm.
Let's see. Let's see who will get who will get surrender first.
Mm.
What are your thoughts? What
So,
are your
ikaw ako interview sunod.
okay later? Okay. What are your thoughts about self-pleasure?
Huh?
Well, that's normal for Filipino if you're open-minded. What are your
I
thoughts
haven't
about-
tried doing self-pleasure,
Yeah.
but maybe it's not normalized here in Phil. It's disgusting.
Why is disgusting?
Because my family is so religious and it's like
Yeah.
prohibited
Yeah. Okay.
and it's a sin.
Why you make comment a sense that is your self-pleasure?
It's a sin because yeah,
Ah, okay.
not in the Bible.
Okay. So, for example, would it bother you if the man has different religion?
Yes,
Like, for example, you're dating a man, but he has different religion. Would it bother you?
yes, of course,
Why?
because religion is one of the factor that will help you connect with each other. And if you have different religion, then you have different perspective in life. And if you have different perspective in life, then that will only cause trouble
Mm-hmm.
and love quarrel.
So even though you love that guy so much,
Yeah.
so you wouldn't.
For example, for instance, he is a Muslim.
Mm,
Then Muslim can marry,
many.
many women, and I don't
Yeah.
like having, shares with my man. What did you
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Though. That's your opinion. That's your perspectives and the point of view in your life. So you wouldn't open for that.
Yes.
So you won't entertain
Yeah.
different religion. Okay. Which one would you prefer to date? Tall or short guy?
Tall.
Tall. How tall are you?
I'm 5'2".
Okay. So what is your height preference for a guy?
5'10" or 5'9". 5'9". Maybe 5'9".
Yeah, 5'9",
5'8",
5'9",
5'8" up.
yeah, 6 footer. You're good with that. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rincan Candid Filipina.